Hello everyone, welcome to your English grammar class of class 3rd. I hope you are fine. Students, today in this video we will complete lesson number 24 and 25. Okay, so let's begin our class. Lesson number 24 given on page number 113 in alphabetical order. Every language has its own set of letters which are kept in a certain order, and English alphabet has 26 letters. As you all can see, these are 26 letters of English alphabet. Now, this fixed order of letters is called alphabetical order or ABC order. When these English alphabet are arranged in a certain order, in a fixed order, then this is known as alphabetical order. And these letters can be written in two ways. First one is capital letters. So these are capital letters and small letters. Capital letters are also known as uppercase letters, block letters, or simply capitals. And small letters are known as lowercase letters. Okay. Now, exercises of this lesson. Exercise A. Rearrange the names of these animals to keep them in alphabetical order. What you have to do, you have to do this exercise in homework, and you have to arrange these names of animals in alphabetical order. Okay, so complete this exercise in homework. Now next exercise, put the words in each box in ABC order. Here also you have to arrange these words given here in ABC order, means alphabetical order. You have to arrange these letters. These letters right here in this box, and write these letters in this box. Okay, here from 1 to 6. So both these exercises you have to complete in your homework by yourself. Now let's move to our next lesson. Lesson number 25 given on page number 115. Material nouns. Now what are material nouns? As you can see in these sentences, diamond is the hardest substance, gold is a precious yellow metal, silver is a precious grayish white metal, plastic is a synthetic material, brass is a yellow alloy of copper and zinc. So all these words that are written here in pink color are the names of materials. Okay, so these are the names of materials from which we can prepare different objects. Okay, so these are known as, these words are known as material nouns. Means those words, those noun which are the name of a substance from which other objects are prepared. So material noun is the name of the substance from which objects are prepared. Okay, so those nouns from which different objects are prepared, that is known as material noun. Material nouns are usually uncountable. Okay, we cannot count. Now, categorized examples of material noun, as you can see here. Here are some common nouns under various categories of these material nouns, such as material nouns from nature. So, material nouns that are from nature are water, air, coal, sand, rock, etc. So all these are material nouns, that are the material noun from nature, that we get from nature. Material nouns from animals means these material nouns are from animals: egg, meat, honey, milk, leather, wool. So all these are we get from animals. Okay, next one is material nouns from plants: cotton, oil, wood, tea, rubber. So all these are material nouns that we get from plants. Now man-made material nouns as acid, ghee, ebony, animal, cloth, etc. Okay, so these are material nouns. Now let's move to our exercise part. Exercise A. Find the material noun in the following sentences. So first one is my mother purchased a gold ring for me. So here material noun is gold. So write here gold. This window is of glass. Glass is material noun. Write here glass. The diamond bracelet is very beautiful. Diamond. So write here diamond. Calcium is a good mineral for health. Write calcium here. The chair is made of wood. Wood is a material noun. There are many utensils made of iron in my kitchen. Iron is a material noun, as we can prepare different objects from iron. Then Taj Mahal is built using marble. Marble is also material noun. I drink milk daily in the night. Milk is material noun. Most of the industries use fiber. Fiber, material noun. Some kitchen utensils are made of brass, as different objects can be prepared from brass. Brass is also a material noun. Now, exercise B, underline the material nouns in the following sentences. Water is very necessary for life on the earth. Water, underline water here. Second one, we obtain wool from sheep. So wool is material noun. Third, we live in house made up of wood. Wood is a material noun. Then I have a nice candle holder made of silver. So silver is material noun. Then my father wears a jacket made of leather. Leather is material noun. Okay. So these are your exercises of lesson number 25. You have to complete this work in your book. Okay, and exercises of lesson number 24 in homework you have to complete in your book only. Okay. So this is all for today. Thank you.